welcome to my channel. If you like this look, please keep on watching, like and subscribe and comment down below. The first part I'll be applying is the Cello Beauty eyebrow cream in the shade Taupe. Clean my eyebrows, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. The brush I am using is from e.l.f. and it's a small angled brush. I'm going to be using an e.l.f. clear brow gel. For primer, I'll be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. In my eyes, I'm going to be using the Airspun in Naturally Natural. I'm using a Wet n Wild small eyeshadow brush. I'll be using the Crown Pro, and I'm going to be using this light brown shade as my transition. The brush I am using is from Wet n Wild, and it's a crease brush. Going back with the palette, I'll be using this shade on the outer corner. I'm going to be applying the same shade in the inner corner. Going back with the palette, I'll be using this shade to make it more darker. For concealer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. The brush I am using to apply the concealer is the Wet n Wild small eyeshadow brush. The next palette is from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'll be using the El Malecón. Going back with the Crown Pro palette, I'll be applying it in the outer corner and in the inner corner as well. I'll be reapplying this shade also. The liquid eyeliner I'll be using is from Wet n Wild, and it's the megaliner in charcoal. For glitter, I'll be using the NYX Glitter Brilliance in the shade crystal. I'm going to be using the J Cat in the shade Gold Road. The mascara I'll be using is from Wonder Beauty, and it's the Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Classic Ivory. To blend out the foundation, I'll be using a damp sponge. I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. For bronzer, I'll be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'll be using the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. Brush I'll be using to apply the blush is from Aesthetica, and it's the P12. I'm back with the Crown Pro palette. I'm going to be using these two shades under my bottom lash line. For eyeliner, I'll be using the Jonte Blue in the shade Charcoal. For highlight, I'll be using the Pure Cosmetics Sculpture palette. Brush I'll be using is from Luxie, and it's the 522 tapered highlighter brush. I'll be using the Galactic lip paint in the shade Posh. The product I'll be applying is from e.l.f. and it's in the shade Precious Metal. For mascara, I'll be using the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. For setting spray, I'll be using the Cover FX Illuminating Spray. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and maybe comment down below of what your thoughts were about this tutorial. And thanks for watching.